Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the damage. Identify whether it's a dent, deep gouge, or surface scratch because that determines your approach. Once you know the depth, mask surrounding paint and remove the trim if possible to control access. Next, clean with isopropyl so abrasives bite consistently. You want no wax or grease. Prepare 400 grit for heavy correction and a nylon block so you sand flat. Start now on the lowest grit where material must be removed. You continue by shaping and refining. Use 400 grit to eliminate ridges and high spots. Short, controlled passes with a sanding block prevent gouging. Once the dent profile is correct, switch to 800 then 1500 grit, using water lubrication to avoid heat and to reveal true surface continuity. Make sure to change stroke direction between grits to remove previous scratches, feather transitions into the original finish. Inspect under angled light frequently, because visual contrast tells you when to stop. You finish by applying a stainless-specific polish and buffing with a clean microfiber pad in the trim's grain direction. This restores luster and blends sanding lines. Once polished, reinstall the trim, ensuring clips seat fully and fasteners align. Tighten to spec and verify gaps are even. If you see haze or remaining gouges, don't over-polish. Repeat targeted 1500 grit passes on the affected area, then reapply polish. One troubleshooting tip. If a dull spot persists, it usually means deeper material removal is needed. Go back one grit step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.